hoopla is about this fabulous new facility that is Daza Dance. So this is the grand opening. I moved here for this event, so for this facility, for these people. I was based in Seattle. I've been dancing for about 18 years, competitive ballroom. Ballroom and Latin. I've danced all over the country. I've danced West Coast, East Coast, Mid Coast, down south, up north. I've been in BC, basically all through the country. And this is the best ballroom I've run across. The people are great. The facility's fantastic. They've got a good game plan. They're here to help people learn how to dance, and that's what I love to do. The benefits of partnership dance, so you have social benefits, you have physical benefits, you have better health, better energies, regaining flexibility, regaining physical strength, gaining physical strength, maintaining maintaining all of your things that you've already got or creating more. You can take it as a very social activity, or you can take it as far as you can competitively. And the thing that I love about dance is there's always something else to learn. So I've been dancing for 18 years and I don't know half of what there is to learn. And I continue to learn every day. I learn from new coaches, and I learn from my students. So I learn new ways to do different things from my students. I call them variations. So